Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. I create videos about making money online, affiliate marketing, online business. Today I'm going to show you how to earn $600 just by watching some simple videos. Anyone can do this from anywhere in the world. There is no limitation. Okay, and you can really make some great amount of money doing this simple stuff. And whatever you get paid through PayPal. So just stay tuned with this video and watch this video till the end so you can understand what I am gonna tell you and how you are going to earn money just by watching video or doing very simple and easy tasks in 2020. You can definitely make good amount of money doing this stuff. Okay, and if you are stuck in a 9 to 5 job and you are really want to make some extra money, to have some extra food outside, to have some extra good life, then this is really something. All you need to do is take out 10 to 15 minutes extra time after your work, and you can definitely do this, or you can do this in your recess time, lunch time, and definitely you can make some money using your mobile phone or using your laptop or your computer. This is really easy way to make some extra money. You can earn up to $100 to $200 every single month extra just by doing this simple stuff. So watch this video till the end. I'm gonna show you 3 websites where you can earn this money. Okay, you can earn up to $500 to $600 if you work consistently on this method. But if you don't work consistently and work only on weekends, even then you can make $100 to $200 every single month just by doing this methods. Okay, so the first website on which you can do this work is called Enrollcom. Once you sign up with this website, all you need to do is just complete some tasks, watch some video, and earn rewards. Okay, you are going to earn rewards from this website, and once you earn rewards from this website, you can just cash out those rewards with PayPal. Okay, so this is really a trusted company. Many of the people are using this and really making some good amount of money using this one of the very good platform. Okay, you can see, check out their website. Everything is legit and they really pay money. Many of the people are using this. All you need to do is just sign up and just click on register over here, and you can just sign up for this website. Okay, so let's make a web be heard. You can just provide your opinions on whatever they ask, and see here, take tests anywhere. Okay, use any of your device like phones, tablets, laptops, whatever you prefer. Okay, be the first. See, the companies are working right now, and let them what you think. No. Okay, earn rewards, collect badges, show off your friends, and compensated each test conveniently via PayPal. So you are going to get money using PayPal. Okay, you can change the web, be a part of internet's next revolution. So all you need to do is just provide some of your suggestions, some of your opinions about anything, about all the stuff which they are providing to you. There are many of the things. You can just watch videos or do some very simple tasks on this website and start making some really good amount of money doing this really simple method which even a 10-year-old can do. Okay, so this is the first website, which is known as Enroll.com. Now let's move on to the next website. This will also provide you a ton of money. Okay, so the next website is known as UserZoom.com. Why I am providing you with this website? Because this website is really great. Okay, it pays you a lot of money, and you can see that this website is really great. Okay, and you can see that it's working with many of the companies, and it's really awesome. See, all this legit information about this website is available over here, and you can see everything. Okay, now just see why use a Zoom. So you can see here they have got a lot of unique things on their platform. Okay, so see, all this stuff is over here, and many other things. The UX designs company. Okay, so see, all these companies are partner with this UserZoom, Oracle, Athena, Google. So you can see it's Google. Okay, all these big companies are partnering with UserZoom to find out about opinions of yours for their products. So what you can do is you can sign up for this website. All you need to do is provide your opinions about any of the things or any of the products which these companies are going to launch. Okay, all these big companies are part of UserZoom. They are utilizing this company. Okay, So you can see here there are many other things with which you can earn money over here. All you need to do is just go to this website and just click on here to talk to us, okay? And you can definitely start making some money just by giving your opinions, just by watching videos and all this simple stuff. You can see over 2.3 million benefits over 3 years. You can see that this is really something very awesome. It pays you money through PayPal. That's also awesome. And you can see this, all the stuff about this website is given over here. All you need to do is click on this button. Once you click on this button, some magic will happen and just you can sign up for this website, okay? It's really simple and it's really easy. Just click on this contact us. You can contact and ask if you have any of the doubts about it, and you just have to click this join our battle. Okay, and you can just see here, give your opinions matters, let's do this. And what you have to do is sign up for this website, provide genuine information, your PayPal details so that you can get paid, okay? And all this website pays you very good money, as Google has partnered with this website. So you can see this is a really trusted platform, and really you can make some good money doing this simple stuff, okay? In 2020 this is something which is really working. Okay, now the next thing is next website is known as userlytics.com. This is also a website where you can just make money just by watching some simple videos or just by surfing some simple websites. Okay, these are the two things which are available on this website. If you don't know how it works, then you can just check out over here. It will show you how this website works, okay? So all you need to do is just test some videos. That means you just have to check out some videos and check out some websites, okay, and just provide your free opinion about it. And if you don't know how this website works, all you need to do is just schedule a demo and they will show you how to do this, okay? And if you want to become a tester over here, you can click here, tester sign up, and you can sign up for this website. And you can see they provide you real examples over here on how to do this stuff. It is really easy stuff. All you need to do is they will provide you the software, they will do everything for you. All you need to do is just use your computer just for 5 to 10 minutes every single day and just provide some of your real opinions about any of the things or websites or applications or videos which they show you, and you just have to provide your genuine opinion about that, and you can really start making excellent amount of money just by doing this simple stuff, okay? So they pay you really good money, and really people are earning great amount of money. You can do it in your mobile phone, you can do it in your laptop, or you can also do it in your tablet. So you have all the options for you over here. So what I recommend is that you should sign up for all these three websites. First sign up for Enroll, then second sign up for this website, and the third this website, okay? So what will happen is that when you sign up for all these three websites, you will get different tasks from all this website every single day, and you will start making really some good money just by watching videos on this websites, or just surfing some websites on this website, and you can start making some really good amount of money. For example, for the first day you get a task for $5 on this website, okay? You get another task of $5 on this website and another task of $5 on, so you are earning $15 just by spending 5 to 10 minutes of your time. You can earn up to $15 extra money. You can really do this and really make some good amount of money, extra money, okay? You can earn up to $500 to $600 if you stay consistent. But if you are not consistent, you are lazy, then even then you can make up to $100 to $200 in a month just by doing this simple stuff. So this is something really interesting. It will help you pay your extra bills, and you can really have a good dinner at a good restaurant if you are earning a little bit like $200 to $600 every single month extra. So this is something which you can have in your life. This is really easy stuff. Anyone can do this, even a 10-year-old can do this, so you can definitely do this. So if you like my video, if you like my content, just press the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.